What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We're going to Tech House, baby. Well, we're going to BigSmokeysBarbecue.com. We're going to do some loaded baked potato. One serve, Texas size loaded baked potato. It's another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. 62. Let's go, baby. Hey y'all, what's going on, baby? No Texas boy back here. This is how we're gonna start it off. Hot water in the pot. And we put some of them jumbo studs in there. Spud, some big Texas size. Submerge your potatoes in the pot. Wrap them in foil. Boil them down until they become soft, tender, or however you want them. But we want them soft, creamy, the juicification. Let them boil for about 30 minutes on a rolling boil. Wrapped in foil. I guarantee you're gonna have a soft, tender potato. So get them on the stove. Check it out. So we got the taters on. This is how we do them at the restaurant. At least the one with the brisket. That's right. We went on over to BigSmokeysBBQ.com and ordered us up a brisket. You can have this right to your front door. Go to the website, check it out, order your brisket. Check out what we got here, baby. Listen, we got some of this brisket left over. We're gonna go ahead and break us some off from this point, man. Look how moist and tender that brisket is. It came just like that, still with the moistification. Juicy. The point gonna have a lot more fat than the flat cut of the brisket. When you chopping up the beef for these loaded baked potatoes, you wanna make sure you get that fatty part. The stuff that we making them burnt ends out of at the restaurant. We've been snacking. We had some sandwiches. If you wanna know how to make one of these briskets, something like real close to, I got a video on how to cook this brisket from start to finish. I'm gonna link it right here. Yeah, mash the button and go watch the video. Check out how to do this brisket. Fall apart. Look at it. Ain't nothing. It's just, I mean, look at the pull on it. The pull is just tender beef brisket. And I'm gonna cheat and taste me a little piece of it. Come on. That's delicious, I promise you. You wanna go get you one of the briskets. BigSmokeysBBQ.com. Yeah, beef is a little up there right now. It's a little pricey, but you gotta know when to treat yourself and where to treat yourself. And this is definitely it. Between the point and the flat, you got a lot of fat tissues there. A lot of time we don't trim this out until we get the serving. This is some of the more leaner part. You got the smoke ring in there, wall-to-wall pink, 1/4 inch of fat up top. This is the perfect piece of the flat on the brisket. Look at the bend in that. Full test, we just pull it and it come right apart. We're gonna take a 1/4 pound of the flat and a 1/4 pound of the point. We're gonna chop it up and bring it back up to temperature for serving. Serving who? Serving the gang today. Yeah, so I'm gonna get y'all some of this fat meat in there. Set this stuff to the side. This is what we have right here, baby. Come in and put a chop on it. This is your preference. If you want yours chopped a little fine, then go right ahead. When we serving it at the restaurant, we don't chop it down real fine. We leave it almost chunks. I'll show you. Check this out. Right there is what we want it. Right now it's almost like a 90 or 80-20. It's almost like an 80-20 ratio of lean to fat with the beef brisket, but everything is juicy. Let's bring it up to temperature. We got a saute pan right here on the sterno. A tablespoon of butter going in. This beef got enough flavor in here. It's got enough of everything it needs to serve right to the customer when it comes to your front door from BigSmokeysBBQ.com. A reason for adding this butter to this pot, this is not a non-stick, so I don't want the meat to start sticking and doing all that extra stuff. Let's get the beef in the skillet. Now we just bringing this up to temperature so it's like on a medium heat. What you don't want to do is change the texture of this beef. It's gonna come with all the instructions on how to bring it up to temperature the proper way. What I like to do is take a little bit of our barbecue rub, the magic dust, baby. Get the magic dust at BigSmokeysBBQ.com also. It's simple, right to your front door. We just gonna get this to toss and then bring it up to temperature real quick. It don't take long, a minute or two of tossing this brisket on this heat, and you pull it right off so you won't have no problem with the texture or nothing like that. Hot beef ready for the tater, baby. So let's build the first tater real quick. It's that simple, I'm telling you. Don't take all day. Check this out. Taters have been boiling away. Touch them, they tender. You know it's piping hot, so be careful. Bust it right down the middle, inside the foil. Do not take it out the foil. Why? Because that helps with temperature control. Bust the tater down. Let's build a tater, baby. We hitting it with the magic dust. Sprinkle of the magic dust right on the meat of the potato. Make sure you put enough on there. Tabs of the butter. Match made in heaven. Butter and taters, don't get no better than that, baby. This is not everyday food, baby. This is cheat day food. Sprinkle some of that cheddar. Cheddar make it better, baby. It's showtime. Get some of that beef right down on top. Load it up with the beef, with that beef brisket. Don't be scared. Big Smokeys beef brisket. That extra butter, all that go down there. I told you, this is not regular. This is cheat day food. Come on now. Let us be great. Pinch of the magic dust right up top. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for that. Load her up with the cheddar. Typically, we're going with fresh green onions, but we ain't having a day game. We didn't get around to get them, so we're going to use dry. got dried scallions right up top. Pop this in the oven for about 4 minutes. Just until the cheese melt and everything is GBD, you know how we get out. Golden brown and delicious. Let's go, baby. Check this out, gang. As promised, GBD, golden brown and delicious, melty up top. We not finished with it yet, though. Check this out. Barbecue sauce, Big Smokey's barbecue sauce. Once again, you can get this at BigSmokeysBBQ.com. Sweetest smoky barbecue sauce I got here. Get that sauce right down on top. Yeah, make sure you smother it in the sauce. This is staple. This is key. Don't go light on the sauce, baby. And typically we'll come back up top with some more of that cheese. Scallions up top. We're gonna get right into that, but I promise you two, not just one. This is the Big Smokey's beef brisket Texas size baked potato. I promise you two. Turf in the surf. Potato number 2, then we're gonna try them out. Let's go. Tequila lime shrimp with a cheesy Alfredo and broccoli. To die for. It don't take long to do. Like I told you, with these dishes, a lot of it is prepping. Let me show you how simple it is to make this. Tablespoon of butter going down in the pan. Butter gonna help everything not stick. Let that butter melt down just like that. You don't want to burn your butter, so now we turn it down to like a medium heat. Because we're not going for brown butter. We just want it to melt and get ready to coat these shrimpies. 1/4 pound of shrimpies going in. We ain't do nothing to the shrimp. We left them raw. Let me show you how we're gonna do this real quick. It don't take long. Now we got this on a low heat. Got the shrimpies in there. We're gonna get a sprinkle of the magic dust, sprinkle of the black pepper, and a sprinkle of the salt. Going in with the juice of 1 lime. Get your favorite tequila. Don't simp on your tequila, man. Get you a good grade of tequila. This is what I like. We're gonna go in with about that much of tequila. And you know this stuff gonna cook down, so don't be alarmed, okay? You want the alcohol to cook off the shrimpy. You still gonna get all that tequila flavor. You're gonna get all that butter and lime flavor in there. Steam the broccoli however you wanna steam your broccoli. JPC gang, we ain't got all day. This is the lunch hour. Definitely put a little salt just for the broccoli. Make sure you pick up some of that flavor. Give it a toss. I'm gonna leave it down in the description. My favorite Alfredo sauce. So make sure you go down there and check it out. Yeah, you know it's got the flavor running through there with that tequila, the lime, yeah, the broccoli. That's right, man, it's time to build. Big tater number 2. Bust them right down the middle. Typically, we take it and boom, just like that. Break her down, break it down. Come here, where you going, Tater? Get back in here. You need that. The building process is almost the same. It's a little different. So we're gonna take a little bit of the magic dust. And on this one, we're going with a little bit of salt. And of course, we're gonna get some butter in there. Butter gonna begin to melt and steep down and through that tater. Do a lot of flavorification stuff down in there. Bonito, very beautiful. Instead of the cheddar on this one, we coming with a little bit of the creamy whole milk mozzarella. You know that's gonna give you that big old creamification. We going down with some of the chives, the dried chives. If you got fresh, use fresh. It's always better, baby. Time for the star of the show. Get your broccoli down. Don't simp on your broccoli. Get that broccoli in there. Yes, Lord. Now, gang, if you're using small shrimp, you know, if you're just using the small shrimp, go ahead and add as many as you like. We got these big old colossal shrimp right over the top. Get in there. Butter, that tequila lime sauce on there. Set them shrimpies right down in there, just like that. Don't be stingy with the shrimpies. Charred, sweet, red bell pepper. These things are sweet, they delicious. We're gonna mix this. We wanted to get them small as possible. I could have went deeper than that, but hey, it is what it is. Going right up top on the tater. Big layer of flavor right there. Add some sweet. Going right up top with more of the cheese. You guessed it, baby. The mozzarella. Don't simp on the cheese. It's all on there. Gourmet it. Boom. Now we're going in the oven with this. 4 or 5 minutes until the cheese is bubbly, golden, brown, and delicious. I'll be right back. We finna taste these things, see what they do, baby. We work hard, we play hard. This is cheat day. Let's go. We got the turf, and you know we got the serve, baby. So let's get these down, man. We gotta check them out. Look at this. Come on now. Come on now. Yes, Lord. It's got all that beautiful brisket under there. It's smoky, it's sweet with that barbecue sauce, that cheddar running through there. The Alfredo with that cheesy, some sweet red bell peppers. Come on now. Yeah. The shrimpies, the broccoli. Y'all know what time it is, gang. We gotta try these out, baby. Before you try these out, look, check this out. I know you see me wearing my head. Come on now. Go to jpcgang.com, grab you some merch. Yeah, big merch buys get big merch giveaways. It's that simple. Yeah, support the cause. Who gonna support the cause? That way, jpcgang.com. I wanna see you over there. You know we just hit the big 10K. We announcing the winner November 1st, the day after Halloween. You win that bread, you gonna need something to put it in. Go get you a bread bag. JPC Gang bread bag, man. Come on now, stop playing. Quality. Let me bust it up and show you what we got on the inside. Good quality zippers. jpcgang.com. Meet me over there. Get you something to put your bread in, man. Let's get ready to taste these things. Let's go. He hungry. Come on now. We delivered. Surf in the turf. I'm gonna start in the ocean first, baby. Look at this. Big old juicification in there. Look at that pour. Blue, it is gonna be hot.
Don't really know that. I'm with it. 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 I'm with it.
Go on there, get a shrimp. Come here. That there make you want to straighten your collar out. You know, pop your collar a little bit. Make sure you extra crispification. This that Sedity, yeah, big fine. Sexy and she know it. It's simple. Tequila lime, give it that little extra wang. Yeah. Serve, come on in here. Get that extra sauce all over that sour cream. Perfect bite. Come in. I know. Come on. Yeah, that's the OG and he know it. He know his place. He know he the OG. He ain't worrying about Big Fine over here. Loaded baked potato with the extra beef biscuit. Make sure you got the fatty and the richness and the goodness. Yes, Lord. This is heaven at home. Both of them, the surf and the turf. Big giveaway, big announcement. November 1st, we're announcing the winner of the $1,000. Make sure you dropping your email over there at jampackedcooking@gmail.com. I appreciate you for tuning in. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always jamming and cooking, baby. Right here with your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Until next time, peace and love.